My name is Anja Steffen and I'm a freelance illustrator from Berlin. I work in fashion, advertising and advertorial design. Originally, my background is in fashion, and in the past I've worked as a designer for labels like Yohji Yamamoto, Kenneth Cole and Schumacher. My work as an illustrator reflects my experience in this field, which means it's very feminine and represents a fresh perspective on the marriage of fashion and illustration. In the past I mainly drew analog, but working with the Wacom Cintiq Companion has pushed my illustrations to a whole new level. I realize how much my style has evolved by the simple fact that I now draw digitally. It's an amazing experience to be able to draw and paint directly on the surface of the screen. It almost feels like drawing on paper, but with major advantages like the zoom function, for example. It makes my illustrating process so much simpler since I can quickly switch between working on small details and seeing the entire image. For me, working with the Companion is a much more professional way of illustrating. One of the projects I recently finished with the Companion was for Italian luxury retailer LuisaViaRoma. They are a very successful online shop with a traditional storefront in the heart of Florence, Italy, and I had the honor of designing the illustrations for their main shop window. The idea was to give a slightly ironic view of the behind the scenes at a fashion show, almost as if you're looking through the shop window and the curtain gets lifted for just a moment. It was important for me to put my unique signature on the characters by giving them a hand-painted feel. The biggest challenges in this project were the window measurements as well as the three-dimensional aspects of the installation. Each figure had to be created in relation to the height and width of the massive storefront window. But from the first sketches down to the very last detail, the Companion made this project so much easier for me.